Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm doing tuna patties in the air fryer. Um, I'm baking them in the air fryer today. Most of the recipes that I came across is to pan fry it, but I'm not doing that. I'm going to do it in the air fryer. So let's start do this. Whoo, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell so you don't miss my other video. So let's start do these patties because I can't wait to eat them. Okay, I have drained the can of tuna, and now I'm just going to remove the tuna from the cans and we'll start preparing the patties. Well, adding all the other spices and herbs and everything else. Okay, we're starting with the onion powder, the garlic powder, and the black pepper. And yes guys, I will be leaving all the ingredients and the measurements in the description below, as I usually do. And that's the cayenne pepper. Now I'm going to combine all of these together, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, this is the mustard. You can use Dijon mustard, yellow mustard, whatever mustard you like, guys, go for it. I'm using Dijon mustard, and now I'm adding one of my eggs. I think I have 2 eggs that I need to add in there. Yes. And this is mayonnaise. Then I'm going to combine these and then move on to the dry ingredients. Laugh out loud, I said dry ingredients. It's a cheddar cheese, and this is almond flour, but you can use breadcrumbs or panko in there. Some people don't like using the panko. Some people, I'm not sure if anybody else use almond flour, but I had almond flour, and that's a little bit of the lime juice and a pinch of salt. Okay guys, back to the almond flour. That's an option. Everybody else use, most people, let me rephrase, most people use breadcrumbs. Okay, this is chopped parsley. I'm going to use some of it in here, and some I will leave in for garnish. And my green onions, guys, you know how much I love green onions? I think you guys just finding out how much I love green onions, right? And yes, we're stirring them in here also. So we're also combining all the greens now in here. Oops, get back in there. Okay, I know some people will have trouble mixing cheese and fish together, but for me it works in this recipe, so you can always just leave that out. Okay guys, I decided to use the rest of the parsley that I had chopped, because stirring it didn't look like it has enough parsley. So I'm going to add those right back in there. Okay, so now I'm going to start making out some of the patties. As you can see, I already started it. Okay guys, this is how I made my patties. Look at them. Look at them. Okay guys, the air fryer is preheating. Ooh, I can't wait. Okay, it's been preheated. Now I'm gonna spray, and then I'm gonna start to layer. I put 4 in there to start with. Looking good already, and smelling good too. Oh, sweet Jesus, look at them, guys. Oh, yes, Lord. I'm going to turn them over and then put them back to finish cooking. Lord help me. Oh, it smells so good. I swear it smells so good. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, just to let you know, I'm using my hands, but these are hot. So if you're not comfortable doing that, please get another spatula. Don't do what I do. Okay, this first set is finished. Oh, don't they look good, guys? Oh yes. Yep. Okay, so now I'm doing my next batch. Okay, so now I'm putting these in the air fryer to bake. And look at the others, guys. Look at those ones. Okay, so let's taste. Ooh, guys, I've been waiting to taste this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my Lord, guys, it is so nice and spongy. Oh, it's perfect, just perfect, I can say. Oh my Lord, self-praise, my bad. Okay, this is the last 3 to bake. So when those ones comes out, this is it. Okay guys, please forgive me for my light. My light was really acting up, going off and on. Okay, this is the first and the second batch, and now I'm going to put the last batch in. Okay guys, I'm showing you the time because it was a little after 3 in the morning that I was doing this. Okay, this is the last 3. I'm going to turn these over and then put it back in the air fryer to finish bake, and we are done. Okay guys, these are the finished patties. They are ready to be eaten. Okay guys, those patties came out so good. Oh yeah. This is a recipe to keep for real. Oh my god, a tuna sandwich with that patties, with some avocados, lettuce, tomatoes, some pickled onion. Thank you very much. Ooh, guys, please don't forget. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss my other video. Ooh, yes, Lord. That's a good idea, guys. I'm about to make a sandwich. Ooh. Stay safe. God bless. And I will see you guys in my next video. Let me go and enjoy my sandwich. Yes.